Can you install Waka TV on Smart TV? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to see if you can install Waka TV on your Smart TV. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and then search for Waka TV and hit enter. So if you are wondering if you can install Waka TV on your smart TV or not, it is clearly listed on their official website. So go ahead and open up the first link that you see. So this is the official website for Waka TV. Scroll down a bit, and here, as you can see, the app is only compatible with the following Android devices. And as you can see, the following Android devices lists TV box, TV stick, Skyworth Android TV, Chromecast with Android TV. Mobile version is also live now, but there is no option for Smart TV. As you can see here, you cannot install Waka TV on your Smart TV. But what you can do is install the Skyworth Android TV, and you can Chromecast Waka TV from there. You can see there are different packages as well. This one is for single, this one is for yearly, and they do not accept any online payments as well. So first thing you need to have is access Play Store and download the app player downloader by AFT News on your TV or any of your Android device. Then you'll have to go to settings, security and restriction, and enable app from unknown sources. Now the final step is to open the downloader by AFTV News and then type wakatv.net or this code to install the app. And once you have installed the app, you can easily enjoy your shows. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.